start the new series, that is the system design. System design is a process of designing the architecture, component, and interface for the system so that it meet the end user requirement. System design, when we are going to the design the application, when we are going to the create an application, building or application, at that point of the times we are just not only building the application, we think about that how it going to the respond it, how the component is made it, so that a user can get easily, that user can easily use it. Type of the system design, there are the five type of the system design. That one is the two is more important. First one is a more monolithically system design. In monolithically system, the entire application is built in a single service. In there is no any separate logic for the no, there is no separate service. They are all the things, all the services are connected with it. In microservice, the microservice architecture divided into the system into the many independent services, such as uh, in microservice, the things are the work are divided into the parts, such as payment no, payment system. Each are going to the take the a server. Now the notification system it run into the another server, and the user information it's run into the other. That is the all the things is everything is divided into the its part. Event driven system design, it means that when the user uh, the design separated client and server. The client event driven system design, this is separated. Now the cloud based system design and service oriented architecture. Before before understanding the other things, they are the two level of the system design. First one is a row level design. In this design, we are reading about the module, class, logic, structure, API. We can say that the small component, and that how a small component going to the react it. uh, we are read in the low level design. In the high level design, it is a big picture. We read it how in a large scale, how in a overall the scenario it's going to the work. That all the things we are going to the read in the high level design. Type of the scaling, see, when we talk about that system design, it means that how our application going to the response to when it is a big or when it is a small size. Initially every application is a small size, but as the user come to the application, the developer need to the scale it. It depend upon that first there are the two type of the scaling. First one is a vertically scaling. In vertically scaling, the size of the machine we are going to the increase it. Suppose that the server size is previously 8 GB. Now it increased by the 16 GB. That is known as the server vertically scaling. There is a horizontal scaling. In horizontal scaling, we are not powerful the our device. Instead of we add the more server, and that is known as the horizontal scaling. This is the basic things that comes under the system design, and we talk about the next video of a URS shortener system design, how URS shortener work on it, and all the it is also a small part of a system design, not a big part. So we start from the a small topic and how it's going to the react it when the user click it, how it's going to response it. That is the things we are going to the